If you've got a driving test coming up in Greenford, we're doing a driving test mock route. So do watch the whole video. You're going to see exactly what driving examiners want and how they mark. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And go to our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk or even our channel for more driving test routes.
We're going straight.
Yes, please, yeah. Straight. That's it, there's a go. So yeah, left lane for now, go straight in. Here's our first exit.
One?
Yeah, just follow your line.
Green? This is good because it has traffic light.
Hold your lane, left lane.
So this
Speed up a bit. Check your mirrors, yeah, good.
Stay in that.
Yeah, for now, and if you remember, as you get in, it's going to merge. Check out right quickly, indicate, and move across. Quickly between them. Be quicker than this guy.
Alright.
Cancel indicate on. And what speed is the road?
I would say 20.
So this is the area of Greenford now. We're in the location. Everywhere around here will be test roads.
This has to because he does this, it's gonna, how to say, make up for everything. That was stupid for no known reason. He's not even angry. You know, you leave home angry. I understand, but he was happy.
who has priority in this situation? Do you know? We're turning around, those cars are going straight. Who would have priority?
I think they have it.
Really, they're oncoming, they're going straight. So you have to go to the center way. Yellow box, you're allowed to wait in the yellow box if you're turning right and the right is clear. You can see the right is clear. Does that make sense? So remember, oncoming cars have priority. Look at these cars now, they're waiting for the cars in front.
Okay.
So look at the road you're going into so you know where the center is. Into the end, keep it straight, touch down and brake. Look right to the ball. Stop here, don't turn too much. Indicate right please. So you don't turn too much to swing out and then the back is sticking out.
Oh yeah.
Maybe a bit more straight.
You're making sense.
You got lights changing, get ready. Yeah, stop, let's go. Let's go. Because you're in the center now, you have to go. Okay. What do you see in front of me? The 20, yeah? A bit more left. So we'll take the next one on the left with that white panel. So as we get there, we check our mirrors, indicate. We can see it's getting quite tight down there. We might even brake and then we'll go to 1. Even though normally we're in 2, you can see how tight the road is because of the van. Good, good speed. Anticipating cars to come towards you. We good? Yeah, let's go then. Big turn, big turn. Off the clutch please and drive. A little bit of gas. Let's see what there's on his man's got space on his left, so we keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. He's got space, we both got space. And now, no, let's just stay slow, just move out the way for him. Check our right mirror, and then move back out quickly, yeah. And gradually speed up. Excellent, keep going. Watch the speed box, yeah. Up a little bit more. So we're gonna go right at the end and then right straight after. You'll see it. So as we get the checkout mirrors, interior right, and you're gonna just a little closer, indicate right, follow that shape, and as you get there, you're gonna go right straight afterwards as well. Start scanning. It's quite wide, so it's on the right now. Keep scanning. Look around. Is it clear? Yeah, golden if it is. And then you're gonna go right straight after. Put the clutch down. Take it on 1 now. Quickly take it on 1. You can't see on that left. Scan. Lean forward if it helps. Yeah, are we good? Let's go. Alright. And as you know, there's a test center up ahead. We'll see if we can get a chance to stop. Just keep going slowly straight. Keep going, a little bit of gas, a little bit of gas, a little bit more gas please. And this car's overtaking, keep going. Watch the kids, are they going to cross? Let's make it. Okay, we're going to go left here, check our left mirror, indicate left, hold that speed.